What it do, guys? It's your boy. I'm coming at you with some drag trucks, different color variations. This is one collection that I definitely wanted to keep collecting. I know there's a few out there that I don't have as far as the variation to them, but eventually I will collect them all. I was looking on eBay to see what was out there, because these you probably never find them in the store. At least I haven't seen them in the store. But I definitely dig these VW drag trucks. So I only have a few, so it's going to be like a really quick video just to show you what I have. As always, guys, if you enjoy this content, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share if you choose to. Well, one thing, I just hope you enjoy this content and decide to come back and check us out, especially if this is your first time here. I am honored to show my castings, and I really deeply appreciate that you guys taking the time to watch. All right, let's move on to the next color one. This one is like not metal green, like radiator fluid green, as you guys can see. Pretty nice color. Next one, guys. It's blue. I mean, these are pretty nice pieces. I love the colors. Let's not forget about that big engine in there. Which is the star of the show. Another sweet color. Well, pretty cool pieces, I must say myself. Again, I definitely would like to pick up a few more that I did see. So it felt good that I had to get that one twice. Yeah, the guy I used to buy these from, I think I bought this whole lot from him, all that he had, because I thought these were cool. And like for the drag bus itself, I think I have maybe a couple of them. Still working on that portion of the collection. Another cool color variation. So I know Chris has asked me if I heard anything from Mike over at Nitro Speed, and I haven't heard anything. I don't know if anybody else have chatted with Mike. I sent him an email, sent him a message on with a messenger, and he hasn't got back to me. So hopefully, I think the last post I saw, it was on Facebook, that his chemo went okay. So as far as I know right now, guys. If I get more information, I definitely will pass it on to everybody. Never know, Mike may do a video and explain everything to everyone. So let's, guys, just keep your fingers crossed, keep praying for him, and hopefully everything is going smooth. Alright guys, here's the last piece. And this one is from Star Wars. This one I actually found, believe it or not, at the flea market. I just happened to luck up on it. And I picked it up right then and there. So guys, that is it. Quick and to the point. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. And again guys, keep a prayer out for Mike. And I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. I'm out. Later.